So all the CMA students, you have got your results of December 2023 attempt. Congratulations to all those who have cleared their groups or all those who have advanced to the next level. And for those जो नहीं कर पाए, don't get disheartened. This is not just the end. This is just the beginning. अभी तो शुरुआत है, कोई बात नहीं, मुश्किलें आएंगी, उन्हीं मुश्किलों से उठकर आगे बढ़ना है हम लोगों को. So I request all my CMA students who have been studying from our videos, and I know there are lots of students, the CMA intermediate students who have been studying costing and financial management from our YouTube videos. Please guys, do share your results. You can share it through email ksjteaching@gmail.com, or you can send your results on our WhatsApp also. Please do share your results, and good luck to all of you for all your future endeavors for the CA final. All those the CA intermediate students who have advanced it to the final level, all the best to all of you. And all those who couldn't clear, just give some extra efforts, try to identify where you lacked, and thoda sa effort or next time you will advance to the next level for sure, right? So see you guys, all the best to all of you.